Hello and welcome to Art with Shannon. In this Chag Life tutorial we will be making surprise fish head. You will need paper, colors. Let's begin by folding your page in half. Then take your one half and fold it again. Draw your fish head. Make sure the lips are on the folded line. Time to color in. When you're ready, open up the fold and draw in teeth and other fun details. And there is your surprise fish head. Wishing you and your family a Shana Tova Matuka.
Please make sure to like and subscribe and push that bell. I would love to hear from you, so comment down below to let me know what you think. And if you followed along with this video, make sure to send a picture. Be safe, be cool, be creative.